What is Printify? Printify is a powerful print-on-demand platform that empowers businesses to effortlessly create and sell custom-designed products online. Here are some key benefits, ease of use, and insights on who should use Printify, along with pricing details and reasons to choose Printify. Benefits of Printify. No inventory costs. With Printify, you can start selling custom products without holding any inventory. This means you don't have to invest in stock upfront, reducing financial risks. Wide product selection. Printify offers a diverse range of products including apparel, t-shirts, hoodies, etc., accessories, mugs, phone cases, etc., home decor, and more. This allows you to cater to different customer preferences and expand your product offerings. Customization options. Easily upload your designs and customize product options such as colors, sizes, and materials to create unique and personalized items that resonate with your audience. Automated fulfillment. Printify automates the fulfillment process, seamlessly connecting you with a network of printing partners. When a customer places an order, Printify automatically routes it to the most suitable printing partner for production and shipping. Scalability. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise, Printify scales with your needs. You can easily manage and grow your print-on-demand business without worrying about production logistics. You can visit Printify and open an account for free today. Link in video description. Ease of use. Printify offers an intuitive platform with user-friendly tools and features that streamline the entire process from product creation to order fulfillment. The dashboard is easy to navigate, allowing you to manage your store, upload designs, customize products, and track orders with ease. Who should use Printify? E-commerce entrepreneurs, individuals looking to start an online business or expand their existing e-commerce store with custom products. Artists and designers, creative professionals who want to showcase their designs on various merchandise without the hassle of inventory management. Brands and merchandisers, businesses seeking to offer branded merchandise to their audience as part of their marketing strategy or revenue stream. Pricing. Printify offers a free plan with access to basic features, including unlimited product designs and store integrations. Additionally, they offer premium plans starting at a low monthly fee, providing advanced features such as discounted product prices, branded packaging, and priority support. The pricing is transparent and flexible, allowing you to choose a plan that fits your budget and business goals. Why choose Printify? Cost-effective solution. Printify eliminates the need for upfront investment in inventory, making it a cost-effective solution for starting a print-on-demand business. Quality assurance. Printify works with high-quality printing partners to ensure that your designs are printed accurately and with superior quality. Global reach. With worldwide shipping options and printing partners located across different regions, Printify enables you to reach customers globally. Support and resources. Printify offers excellent customer support and resources such as tutorials, guides, and webinars to help you succeed in your print-on-demand venture. In summary, Printify is a game changer for anyone looking to enter the print-on-demand market or expand their existing e-commerce business with custom merchandise. With its user-friendly platform, diverse product selection, automated fulfillment, and flexible pricing, Printify provides the tools and support needed to turn your creative ideas into profitable ventures. Try Printify for free today. Link in video description. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.